heaven to my home on high. Oh, how the angels will sing when I kneel at the feet of the King of Kings. Well, I'll join that choir with my brand new voice, singing a song never heard before.